Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Basically, this video will gonna be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can trade in the limit and in the market order and how you can do the trading in the option. So let's begin the video. Here for buying this stock, you just have to go to this market option in the bottom. Currently we are on the watch list, and in the watch list you can see the most trending coins. Here you can see this magnifying glass on the top. You can go and you can research here for any coin. Like here for example, if we go and if we research for Apple here. Here for Apple we have to go and we have to write here AAPL instead of Apple. Here just you have to go and you have to research for that. Here you can see this first coin, simply click on that. Now you can see here we have this Apple and the symbol says AAPL. And here you can also see the value when the market was closed is 198. And here the increasing sign show that the market was in profit when it was stopped. And here you can also see the chart in the bottom where you can see the monthly, yearly and annually charts as well. Here for buying, just you have to go and you have to click on trade here. Here for trading, first you have to go and you have to get an account here. Here you have to choose if you live in USA or if you live in another country. Then here you have to write these details, like here you have to choose your ID issuance country or region. Here you can also research for your country, like here if you research for United States here. And similarly here you have to research here your type. You can research your passport or ID. Then here you have to provide them with your first name, last name and date of birth, all these things. After that you can go and you can trade. Now here you can see that we are currently trading under the USA margin account, and you can see here the symbol. Here you can see the symbol for Apple, which is AAPL. And here you can also see the order type. Here you just have this limit and market. I will just keep this simple and will go and will change the limit to market. Here basically in limit you put a limit on buying the coin, and in the market you basically buy the coin at the market rate. Now here just you have to go and you have to enter here the quantity, like if you want to buy 1 coin, 2 coin, 3, you can write here the quantity, and then you can see here the amount as well, and after that you can go and you can buy. Now here I will teach you how you can buy the options. So here you can see the chart. You can go back and you can search for any coin. The process is same for all the coins. Here I will continue teaching you with this Apple coin. Here you can see the chart, and here in the right of the chart you can see options. Simply just you have to go and you have to click on options, and now I will teach you how you can buy options here. Like for example, if one thinks here that Apple will gonna zoom past 160, and like for example consider the current rate as 150. So here we are on the option and we will look for 160 strike here on the Apple. We will buy this 160 strike and we'll make some money when the coin will go up from 150 to 160. So let's go and buy. Here you can see all, call and put. So currently we are not looking for all, we will just go with call here. And here you can see many streaks, so we will just looking for 160 strike here. We will just go and we will research for 160 here. Here you can see this 160 strike, simply go and click on that. Here you can also follow any strategy. Here you have many strategy options as well, so you can go and you can trade on this strike, and that basically all about how you can trade on limit and market order, and you can buy the coins and how you can buy the options on Moomoo trading app. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.